welcome to the last week of Human Development and Educational Psychology. Hope you had a chance to complete your exam last week, and those are auto-graded. If you have bonus points, those will be added in sometime probably next week. And also make sure your Learning Strategies portfolio has been submitted. It was actually due on the 29th, which was Friday. So be sure that you have that turned in. You can turn it in late if you haven't yet. And then this week, I'm actually not going to be here. I have to have a surgery. So I am going to be in the hospital this week following the surgery. And so I won't be reachable, which is why we finished up the semester or exams and everything last week. I will be able to get back on the computer and check email or discussions beginning next week. So if you would just have patience while I kind of get back to you, because I won't be available this week. So this week you're going to be working on the trainings. If you are enrolled in the EPSY 3153 section, so that's probably about half of you. If you are an education major, not a BAAS major, then these trainings are required to complete the course. They are a grade for everyone, regardless, but for those of you who are enrolled in the 3153 section, you must complete these trainings or you will receive an incomplete. So it's pretty simple. These are the instructions that tell you what to do. If you are not enrolled in that section, it's not a requirement to complete them, but it is still a grade, and it's a 100 if you do complete them. And if you're going to be working with children, or if you plan to go into the classroom, these are required trainings by TEA, and good trainings for you to help you in working with children. So you can keep these certificates regardless. And you can have them. I think they're good for a couple of years, and then you can present them when you're in your place of employment. So these are the instructions and the links to the different trainings. If you have questions or difficulty logging on, please post in the class discussion board. Many of you have already completed these, and your classmates can help you to navigate. So once you complete them, you're going to upload each one into these different, the certificates, into each of these links. This takes you into TK20, so it's going to look a little bit different. But all you do is just upload your certificate there. And then when I get home the following week, I'll just go through and check them and post your grades. So again, I won't be available to answer email and discussions this week. So if you have any questions or difficulty logging on, you can post in the class discussion board, or if you have questions about assignments or grades or anything, just send me an email and realize I'll get to it at the beginning of next week when I'm out of the hospital. So thank you for a great semester. Please be sure to complete the course review if you haven't had a chance to do that. And hope you have a great week and a great holiday break.